Right now we're walking along the boardwalks at Wai-O-Tapu Thermal, right?
Yeah.
You can see the steam rising. Just a short walk around the pools. You can see all the mud hopping around from all the geothermal activity. Smells like really bad farts right now due to all the sulfur in the air. It's real good. Look at that steam and look at that mud splurge. Mmm, yum. Looks like soup. We just got to the end of the walk. It took like a minute or two, not even. But you get a nice view of this pool here. Over top of it, you can see all that steam rising up and all the bubbles splooging around below us. Oh, we're done with the Wai-O-Tapu Scenic Reserve. Walking back to our car now.
Very quick but free.
Yes.